The world is watching as the US and China lock horns in a high-stakes trade war. You know, this is not a new phenomenon. We've seen this before. But this time, the stakes are even higher. The global economy, already fragile, is feeling the heat. The interconnectedness of today's world means no one escapes unscathed. This isn't just about tariffs and trade deficits, it's about global power. The US and China are vying for economic dominance, and their rivalry will reshape the geopolitical landscape. The repercussions? Oh, they'll be felt far and wide. For businesses, the uncertainty is palpable. Supply chains are disrupted, investment decisions are on hold, and the rules of the game are changing. Everyone is trying to adapt. The world is holding its breath. Will this escalate further, or will cooler heads prevail? The answers will have profound implications for all of us. And let's not forget, the Make America Great Again agenda under Trump added fuel to this fire, pushing for a tougher stance on China. The opening salvos of this trade war have been fired. The US, under the current administration, has imposed hefty tariffs on Chinese goods. These tariffs, reaching as high as 125%, target a wide range of products. From electronics to clothing, the impact is being felt across industries. China, however, has not stood idly by. It has retaliated with its own tariffs on US goods. These retaliatory tariffs, reaching 84%, are a clear message. China will not be bullied. It will protect its interests. This tit-for-tat exchange of tariffs has created a climate of uncertainty. Businesses are caught in the crossfire, while consumers are feeling the pinch of rising prices. The global trading system, already strained, is under immense pressure. The escalation of tariffs is a dangerous game. It could easily spiral out of control. And so, the world is watching nervously as these two economic giants square off. The trade war's impact is already being felt in the US economy. Increased tariffs have made the stock market highly volatile, reflecting growing uncertainty among investors. America's image as a safe haven for investors is also taking a hit, with Treasury bond sell-offs adding to the turmoil. Major indices, like the S&P 500, have seen significant drops amidst this uncertainty. Certain sectors are bearing the brunt of these economic tremors. Retail stocks, especially those reliant on Chinese imports, are feeling the heat. Companies like Walmart are trying to mitigate the impact by keeping prices low. But realistically, for how long can they absorb these increased costs? The energy sector hasn't been spared either. US crude oil prices initially fell as the trade war escalated. However, under market pressure, Trump paused the tariffs for 90 days, leading to a rally in oil prices. The economic fallout from the trade war is very real. It's impacting businesses, consumers, and investors alike. And the longer this trade war drags on, the more severe the consequences will be. There could be no winner to the trade war. The loser will be the global economy. In the midst of this trade war, an opportunity presents itself for India. As companies look to diversify their supply chains away from China, India stands to benefit. With its vast workforce and growing manufacturing sector, India can position itself as a viable alternative. The Make in India initiative, launched a few years ago, has gained new relevance. This initiative aims to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. And now, the current trade war could provide the impetus for this initiative to truly take off. Foreign investors, wary of the risks associated with China, are increasingly looking towards India. The Indian government, however, must choose balance over bias and partnership over politics to truly capitalize on this sentiment. This includes streamlining regulations, improving infrastructure, and ensuring a skilled workforce. The US-China trade war has created both challenges and opportunities for India. By fostering partnerships and avoiding political entanglements, India can emerge as a winner in this new global order.